Did you know bubble wrap was originally wallpaper? In a bright workshop, a young inventor excitedly explores new ways to utilize bubble wrap beyond its original purpose. In an art gallery, visitors marvel at the creative crafts made from bubble wrap, showcasing its versatility beyond packaging. In a lively classroom, children enthusiastically create art projects, with bubble wrap showcasing its fun and playful side. During a cozy movie night, a family finds joy in popping bubble wrap, adding an element of fun to their entertainment experience.